Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to put video wallpaper on your iPhone 17 Pro or Pro Max. So this is my iPhone 17 Pro. I'm provide full guide. You just easily set your any video on your wallpaper. So like I'm select this video, I'm just set this video in my wallpaper. So go back, open settings, scroll down, go to wallpaper section, add new wallpaper and follow top bar, photo, only select photo to feature all live photo or people, but not showing it to exactly set as video wallpaper. So you just use a third-party apps. Open your app store, search here video to live. Okay, just open this and you just install these apps. I'm already installed this. Press on open. Make sure to select video and live photo. Just select continue. Hello. Okay, you just select any video, like I'm select this video. Press on next. Okay, and press on make. Okay, now I'm checking. So as you can see, I'm recently create to video to live image. Okay, now make it live photo from video. So open settings again, go to wallpaper section, add new wallpaper, photo, and go to live photo option. So I'm recently create this photo from this video. Make sure to turn on. Now it's set to live. Okay, press on add. Okay, now successfully set up this. So that's it.